What's the meaning of bow wow? Bow wow. Bow wow.
Bow wow. Bow wow. The word bow wow can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As an onomatopoeic term, bow wow is used to describe the sound produced by a dog's bark. However, the term can also be used to describe something as being very stylish or fashionable. Additionally, in some contexts, bow wow can refer to something that is superficial or shallow. Overall, the meaning of bow wow is highly dependent on the specific context in which it is used.